Here at YouBar, we work with a lot of the hottest brands out there. And so we really get to see the future of where diet trends are going. As a result, here's our top 5 pick for the hottest diets in 2020. Our first pick for the hottest trend is plant-based eating. It got huge in 2019 and it's set to get even bigger in 2020. Plant-based eating is defined as different from veganism because most plant-based eaters will eat some animal-based foods, but they try to keep their plant-based eating at 90 to 95% of their overall diet. In the bar market, that means we're gonna see a huge uptick in a lot of the hottest plant-based proteins. So that might be pea protein, hemp protein, sunflower seed protein. We're super excited to watch this trend just take off and really become core in the market in 2020. Next is the Primal Diet, which is the latest iteration of the long popular paleo diet, where diet followers really try to eat like their ancestors. Think anything that a hunter-gatherer would eat: nuts, berries, well-sourced, wild-caught animals. From a bar perspective, we're gonna see that manifest itself in many more products that are explicitly free of grains and processed sugars. So think no corn, no soy, no rice, and an increase in things like grass-fed whey protein and grass-fed collagen protein. Next is the MIND diet. The MIND diet stands for Mediterranean-Intervention for Neurodegenerative Delay. And it's largely derived from what a typical Mediterranean diet would be. A little bit of wild-caught fish, some delicious whole grains, certainly very high levels of leafy greens and berries and fruits. Over time, this is shown to reduce the incidence of things like Alzheimer's and other sorts of dementia by up to 53%. We're choosing it as a top pick for 2020 due to the science behind it and the aging baby boomer population. Next is intermittent fasting. There are 2 most popular ways of intermittent fasting. One is the 16-8 method. The 16-8 method is where consumers don't eat for 16 hours per day. The other is the 5-2 method, where 2 days of the week calories are severely restricted, maybe to just 500 per day, and the other 5 days consumers can eat whatever they would like within the normal range. And so we're seeing certain key bar products come up in that category as fast-breaking products. Those might be things that include beauty support like vitamin E and collagen, and they're also very nutrient dense, so things like freeze-dried kale, spinach, and broccoli. And finally, no roundup of 2020 diet trends would be complete without mentioning keto, which got huge in 2019 and continues to be big as ever throughout the end of this year. Followers follow a routine of eating about 70 to 75% of their overall caloric intake from fat. They limit carbs to a very low level, typically net carbs of under 10 or even just 5% of their overall diet. There are a lot of great keto bars on the market already, but we're seeing that's probably gonna expand out into all sorts of snack foods, balls, bites, and even more bars. Because ketosis causes people to lose weight fast, there's a huge number of people who swear by it, and we predict that it's gonna continue to be absolutely huge in 2020.